Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Guyanese cow milk fudge. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cow milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla or cardamom. Ensure you have a heavy-bottomed pot ready to prevent scorching, and a greased pan for setting the delicious fudge. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, combine about 4 cups of fresh cow milk with 2 cups of granulated sugar in your heavy-bottomed pot. Stir continuously over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the mixture thickens considerably and begins to pull away from the sides of the pot. Once the fudge mixture reaches the right consistency, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your chosen flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of ground cardamom. Now, beat the mixture vigorously until it becomes thick, creamy, and slightly opaque. Quickly pour it into your greased pan, spreading evenly. As the fudge begins to cool but is still warm, use a sharp knife to score it into your desired square or diamond shapes. Do not cut all the way through yet. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for several hours until firm. Once firm, cut along the scored lines. Store your delicious Guyanese cow milk fudge in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.